Read by permission of Amicus Publishing. Hi everyone! I have a new picture book my publisher just sent me, so let's unwrap it together. Here it is. It's Unicycle Dad, and it's written by Sarah Hovorka and illustrated by me, Alicia Schwab. It's about Sarah's childhood. Her dad is compared to a unicycle rider because he's a single dad and he has to do everything himself. So this book comes out on March 12th, 2024, and I will put a comment in the links and how to pre-order. I can't wait for you to read this book. All right. Happy reading!